Greetings, AUSL Network. My name is Frederica Williams, and I am responding to question number 1. Why do I want to become a teacher in the AUSL Network? I would love to become a teacher in the AUSL Network simply because I've been teaching since 1993, and during these years, I have not yet acquired my teaching license for the profession. However, I've always given 1,000% of me within the classroom. I am looking at the AUSL program simply because it is a residency that would allow me to become educated as well as coached, as well as, in the end, final results, a licensed professional. And so, therefore, this program seems to offer everything that I'm looking for. The second part of this question is, what life experiences and skills do I possess that will enable me to connect with students and inspire them to learn? I have always taught my students to be lifelong learners. I have given them part of me that will last a lifetime. I've always taught them. I've always geared them in the right direction. I've always given common sense lectures as well as life learned lessons within the classroom, character building, everything that makes the child a whole person within community. I've given it to them. I've exposed them to different communal as well as other things within travel, and allowed them to see the world, see the city. We've traveled in the past. We've done things that will give them a greater education, far more than the books, and that is exposure. I love to teach children, and I'm excited about the craft. And I give them all of me, and in return, they give me their thanks. Thank you, AUSL.